Ako mag-ipon mga paluwagan pa lang, di ba, sa school. So early on in my life, I was taught by my parents to value hard work, to value what you earn, and to not spend everything that you have in your pocket. It's important for us to prepare for the future. So growing up, I was aware of what I would have and what I should do to better prepare for the future. Gaya nga sinabi na ako na parang hindi naman to forever, di ba? It's just temporary work, so we take advantage of it. And as long as we know what defines us as a person, and then you would know what you need, di ba? So parang sa akin, knowing that I have enough for myself, hindi ko kailangan mag-relate sa trabaho ko. So whatever I have, it's just being practical, I guess. Meron ka man trabaho, may wala. Kailangan isipin mo kung anong makakapag-pagbigay sa'yo ng magandang future. So, I mean, from the beginning, naisip ko na yung talagang work, ipon, because, you know, rainy days might just come anytime. So with the help of Sun Life and with all the advocacies that we have, it kind of gives me that balance. Na hindi kailangan puro ka ipon, hindi kailangan puro ka work. You can balance it by being a good advocate and, you know, paying it forward. So with Sun Life's help, I think hindi lang naman ito porket meron ka ng financial backup, you very well know about financial freedom. It's also, of course, sharing that to the next generation, which is my son, because growing up, hindi naman tayo aware dito, di ba? So that's why I'm very thankful to Sun Life, because they're putting the word out there, not just for us adults, but also for the kids, to know and become more aware of financial freedom. So I guess that's my take on that, para at least, hindi lang para sa akin, may impart ko rin sa iba.
So malaking factor